hallway right here.
They can go this way?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's a hallway they can come up.
Interesting.
Oh, hey.
Where?
Martin, just keep suppressing it.
You guys need to...
Hey, you got this guy? Everybody in that room, begin! Rough. Alright, thank you. Spider-Man. Alright.
Eric, we just checked the to be in there and nobody walked out. We know there was no up.
I don't. Okay, they're inside the room right here. Not the hallway, but the room with the window.
He's like right there, huh?
Right there. Got a window right there, right there. Yeah.
Hey, watch this side! Watch this side! Is there any guys over there? Nah, come up over here. He's out, let him out. They're playing, let him out. They're playing crossing, guys. They're playing crossing. Hey, we got one coming up right here through the hallway.
I see him. Right side.
He's it. He's out. Sneaky. He's out! Let him out! Let that player out! That player's crossing, guys! That player's crossing!
Hit!
Just run through and stuff.
Watch it, right here on the left.
Yeah, look out.
Hit! So that's where they're at, I think. Oh, we're here too.
Right here, one on the left and one on the right. What's up, guys? What's up? One guy with the black thing in?
Yeah, I see him. Oh! Oh, the face method. There was more people behind us, right, holding that spot.
Behind us?
Yeah.
They're all like, they weren't where we
So,
at.
do they take that corner?
I hope not. I was like, I couldn't talk, so I was gonna tell them, I was like, you're right here.
Yeah. So maybe.
So don't be surprised if we get back over there and it's gone. He just popped out of the doorway.
Which one? This one right?
No, that. Unless that's our team. Nope, it's banned. He's in that door. Is this doorway clear?
No. There, I see people going back and forth. Yeah, you can go by.
Hey, Blue, watch that door in front of you.
How many are there?
Oh, yeah, no, we're getting some. Dude, he's so cool.
Right here in this whole doorway. Right here. Two.
let's see. Right there on the other side. Come on, let's go.
Now I hear you. Hey, you're in the green building, right?
Yeah. Can I run across? Where's that?
Right across the way.
Damn it. Right.
Players, push up for the respawn.
No hit? He's straight across, straight on your 12. He's straight.
Hey,
Straight in front, watch out. Go, go.
how far are they up? The green building.
Straight in front.
On that, on, almost to the center. Watch your corners, guys. They come from different angles. Watch the angles.
Oh, they're right there. Where's the door to this building?
Be careful. Save them.
The little guy just running.
Those little kids are fearless.
Look
man.
out!
Those little kids are fearless.
Hey, that's our
man.
future. And we'll push up with you, right? Right now, one at a time, right?
Alright, we got 3. Press it.
I mean, right there, that building, but. Oh, I think I got one. Go ahead. He's going for it. Oh, come on, I got you. Hey, right there, in front of you, that building. Oh, I got one of them. We got one guy moved up way up there. Go.
Go.
Yo.
Hey, is there a door right here?
Yes.
There is?
Yeah.
Huh?
Go ahead.